avocados, olive oil, full-fat dairy and nuts, are high in calories, it's important not to overdo it. Most people feel more satisfied after eating ketogenic meals and snacks due to the filling effects of fat and protein. However, it's entirely possible to consume too many calories on a ketogenic diet by eating portions that are too large or by snacking on high-calorie foods throughout the day. Paying attention to portion size, increasing physical activity and snacking in moderation between meals can help create the calorie deficit needed to lose weight. Summary: when following any diet, it's important to create a calorie deficit to promote weight loss. Curbing portion sizes, limiting snacks between meals and being more active can help you drop excess pounds. 4. You have an undiagnosed medical issue. The ketogenic diet is an effective weight loss tool. However, if you're having a difficult time losing weight even though you're doing everything right, it's a good idea to rule out any medical issues that may be preventing weight loss success. Hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS), Cushing's syndrome, depression and hyperinsulinemia, high insulin levels, are medical issues that can cause weight gain and make it difficult to lose weight. 5 trusted source, 6 trusted source, 7 trusted source, 8 trusted source. These conditions can be ruled out by your doctor through a series of tests. If you have one of the conditions listed above, don't despair. Through proper management, including medication if necessary and lifestyle and dietary modifications, you can achieve and maintain healthy weight loss. Summary: certain medical conditions, such as hypothyroidism and depression, can make it hard to lose weight. Consult your doctor to rule out an underlying medical issue if you're having a particularly hard time dropping the pounds. 5. You have unrealistic weight loss expectations. It's normal to want fast results when following a new diet plan, but it's important to remember that weight loss can vary from person to person. Although the ketogenic diet can promote weight loss if properly followed, the rate at which you lose may not be rapid, and that's okay. Small, consistent change is the key to losing and maintaining weight the healthy way. While it may be tempting to aim for lofty weight loss goals, most experts recommend that losing 1 to 3 pounds or about 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week depending on weight is best. 9 trusted source. Not to mention, if you adopt a new workout routine that involves weightlifting, you may gain muscle while losing fat. Though this can lead to slower weight loss, putting on muscle mass and decreasing fat mass benefits health in many ways. It can reduce your risk of heart disease and improve bone health. 10 trusted source, 11 trusted source. Instead of relying solely on the scale, take weekly measurements of your arms, thighs and midsection to track your progress. Summary: a healthy weight loss of 1 to 3 pounds or about 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week can help you stay on track and maintain weight loss over time. 6. You're constantly snacking on high-calorie foods. Snacking on healthy food can be an effective way to prevent hunger between meals and overeating. Yet consuming